In this stretch tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to stretch out your calves on a step. So you don't have to use a step, you can use a stair or anything to mimic this movement. So first things first, generally just as a little bit of health and safety, what I don't want to see if someone's using one of these portable steps is they come into a position where they're going to stretch out both, and they could be in a position where they flip over that step. So make sure that you're always leaning slightly forwards and have this against a wall or a fixed object. Remember, we're trying to do a stretch here. We're not trying to go for any balance or proprioception. So in this example, do make it as safe as possible by popping this sensibly up against the wall. So how do we do it? First things first, again, for safety, I've got my hands on a wall and I'm leaning slightly forwards to keep my center of gravity forwards. I'm going to bring only my toes and the balls of my forefoot in contact with that exercise step. From here, I'm going to come down, dropping my heels to the floor, and I've got a little hover here as I'm at my full stretch. Now, if you're at this position and you don't feel it, what I want you to do is walk your feet a little bit more in and see if you can feel it then in that position. However, the first position should be enough for most of you watching this video. So let's recap through that again. You're going to step up onto the step up or stair or whatever you're using. Make sure you have your hand on something for balance. From here, it's the balls of the forefoot and the toes that are in contact with the step. You're then going to drop the heels down, both at the same time, and then you should be feeling a stretch through your calf and soleus and Achilles as well. That is how to do an exercise step calf stretch, or if you're doing this on a stair calf stretch.